Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Only here a quick one as well. After the daily candle close, we've reached the resistance area here for this fourth wave. Similar to Bitcoin, I think we are in this fourth wave. That might not be finished yet. It could still carry on, of course. We might want to go to the 30-minute chart. I don't see all waves complete yet. I mean, we do have 3 waves. Bear in mind, this is micro counting. I mean, you could get away with saying, okay, maybe we had here a tiny 5-wave move, but the move down, which is starting at the moment, looks quite corrective as well. Now, bear in mind, we're just looking at the 15-minute chart. What I did mention to you in the previous video was that we might just be retesting the channel from above. Can't remember actually if that was for Bitcoin or Ethereum where we said that. But I certainly mentioned that a fourth wave, when it starts, would take us probably into this region here, which is calculated based on Fibonacci retracements of the third wave. And this would then at the same time be target for the fourth. So we reached that target zone, resistance zone. And I mentioned to you as well that one target for a fourth wave is typically the previous fourth wave of the smaller degree. Yeah, not exactly necessarily, but I highlighted that we could get sort of into the 1550 region, and we've managed to get all the way up to 1543 at the moment. So we haven't really touched the 23.6 fib level, which is normally the minimum for a fourth wave. But bear in mind, in terms of a very, very volatile market here, sometimes you miss it by a few dollars. But let's see if we still get there. At the moment, I would expect it to go still a bit higher, to get a clearer ABC here and also have a little bit of a longer C wave, but maybe we don't even, we don't need it. I mean, it's done what it needs to do, right? Because also, so we came close to the previous wave 4, not exactly where I'd like to have it. It should ideally push once more higher, would be great. But we certainly have 3 waves here that we can see, ABC. And one target that you can normally calculate is you take the height of the A wave, you go to the low of the B wave, and you can see we got rejected basically at the 1-to-1 ratio. So that's another ideal target for a C wave. If it pushes higher, I will have confluence here where the previous wave 4 ended around 1553 and the 1556 level, which is the 1.618 extension. So that might be another target if we push any higher above the intraday high here at 1543. And yeah, other than that, I think this could be an interesting short setup. I'll see if we are still in that region tomorrow. If we are, and if I'm in the mood, I will take a short here into the 5th wave if I see a signal, but only if I'm in the mood. On a Sunday, I'm not sure. It's less reliable as well on the weekends. But yeah, that's where we are. And then I would still expect it to make one more low, ideally. A confirmation that the 5th wave has started would be a break below the 1508 level. Doesn't mean you have to wait with shorting until you are down there. No, of course not. I mean, as a pullback trader, I would normally enter here in this area against resistance, not when we break out, because then you are just about where support is again, right, at 1500. But eventually, if this is working out and we are getting in the 5th wave, this should go below the 3rd wave. So it should get a little bit here into this support area, possibly all the way down to 1415. But that would be quite strong. Don't think we will come down that low necessarily. We'll see. I mean, it depends a little bit on how high do we go in the 4th wave. Then I will be able to give you a target for the 5th wave as well. It depends, because it depends on you see how high we go. That determines the target. So if we, let's say, go to the previous wave 4 high, let's say we go to 1554, then the 38.2 fib level is the first target at 1473, and the next target would be 1422 roughly. Okay, so we'll see where we are tomorrow. Yeah, just want to update you quickly. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.